MCPCR na yengshilubba matamda unaided schoolsingda Right of Children Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009 gi makhada leigadaba pupil teacher ratio leiramdabada nungnangba phongdokre. Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights ki chairperson Kaisam Pradeep Kumar gi maikede gi thadorokpa cherol amada Manipur gi tongan ba unaided private schoolsingda yengshilubba matamda classroom amada mahiroi marfudagi maudra fawba leibada natana yamlaba mahiroi sing oza amakaktana takpi tambibagi thabak toramba thengnarakpani hairi maduna maram oiraga mahiroi singda lairik ningthina tamba fanghandabaga loinana wakhalda charangnaba kaya thokhalle mahiroi singda corporal punishment sing piduna chauna mahiroi singda chaitheng pibagi thabak athingba thamlabasu adumak chathari masida natana counseling pinana ba khudong chaba leite Parents Guardian Singi Association Sing Unaided School Sing da Leite Mama Pawaiba Sing Asu Achoba Thodang Ama Lobagi Tangai Fadaba Lei Mahiroi Sing Fananaba Hotnabada Mariba Khudingmak Private School Sing da Watuna Lady Haina Nungnangba Phongdorakibani